Hello friends, I hope everyone will be okay. Today I want to talk about neuroglial cells, and last time we talked about a functional classification of neuron. There were, I said, two types of neurons according to function, that were sensory neuron and motor neuron. So today I want to talk about neuroglial cells. So first of all, neuroglial cells. What is neuroglial cells? Neuroglial cells, as indicated from the name, that neuro mean neuron and glial cells. These are types of the cells that found in the nervous system. So neuroglial cells are of four types, as you can see in the picture. In this video, the first is astrocytes, the second is oligodendrocytes and microglia, and the last one is ependymal cells. So you can see this is astrocytes, form like a star, and this is called this is capillary, and these are its branches. This is a protoplasm, okay? In the center is protoplasm and it's a nucleus, and it's maybe fibers, and this also astrocytes, and this is also astrocytes. See, both of these are astrocytes, and these have it concerned with the nutrition or food of the nervous system. Mean the nervous tissue. With these are provide these astrocytes, neuroglial cells provide food for the tissues of the nerves. The second type is oligodendrocytes. You can see it has less branches than this, and have a nucleus and as well cytoplasm or protoplasm. As well, it's the colleague of Schwann cells. Being Schwann cells and oligodendrocytes are work same. Only some difference is this: the Schwann cells is in the peripheral, and the oligodendrocyte is in the CNS. This is the difference between these. Mean Schwann cells myelinate the peripheral nerves. Mean in peripheral nerves. In last video talk about myelinate. Myelinate mean it make a wrapped around the peripheral axons, and myelinate mean fat. A layer of a layer of fat around the peripheral, around the axon in the peripheral. And oligodendrocytes, it's also make fat, mean wrapped fat around the in CNS, in CNS. And this was in the Schwann cells was in peripheral, and this oligodendrocyte was in nervous system, central nervous system. So the third type is microglia. So small, these are small cells behave like defense cells, like in the CNS. But microglia, our work as a fighter. This defends the nervous system. If any foreign body come there, so microglia fight with them. They defends the central nervous system. And the last one is ependymal cells. So ependymal cells, you can see they make like a column. So these are derivatives of primitive neural actor. Where in if we go into back to the embryology, actually embryology is derived from primitive neural actor, and made up of ciliated epithelial cells. Ciliated mean like ceiling fans. Mean these cover the cavities of the CNS, as right here. We cover the cavities of the CNS. So ciliated mean cilia made from the inferior, cover the inferior cavities, cover. And epithelial, as well, epithelial is what type of epithelial tissue cells are cells. So these types of ciliate epithelial cells, the ependymal cells are made up of cilial epithelial cells. So go further. Now we talk about gliosis or gliosis, you can say. So proliferation of glial cells and layers heals by the gliosis. So what's the gliosis? Gliosis itself is a permanent feature of disease. So it helps the layers. The layers are the mark the mark or spot when someone get hurt, the spot or the marks will remain on the skin. These are called lesions. So glial cells heal the lesions, okay, and as well increase the growth. With proliferation of glial cells mean the growth, increase the growth, proliferation of glial cells and lesions. Increase the proliferation mean increase the growth of the glial cells, gliosis, and heal the injuries of the CNS, as I have written it before. Lesions mean marks, spots which are remain after you got hurt, and the spot or marks, black marks or remain there, okay, which indicates scars, okay, proliferation. So these layers of scars are seen in the the nervous tissue, okay, with layers, and layers indicates scars are remain on the skin after healing. So these are the healed spots, gliosis. And a spontaneous gliosis indication the degenerative gang. So in CNS tissues, nervous center, nervous system tissue. So a spontaneous means automatic glial cells. They generate degenerative gang. They produce change, which the change which continues diseases in the CNS. And the glial cells are capable of dividing. So glial cells can also be divided, and the glial cells can form the CNS tumors. Means tumors in the CNS, meaning the central nervous system. The glial cells can be formed because the glial itself is a feature of disease. So you can also make disease. The disease is tumor. Then lastly, the tumor convert into the cancer. So this was the topic for today. You can see this is the chart I make it really easy for you people. You can see also you can follow the BD Churasia neuroanatomy. You can also match this there. Thanks very much for watching.